Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're breaking down the absolute basics of artificial intelligence.
You know that feeling, right? When Netflix or Spotify just gets you?
Well, that's artificial intelligence working its magic behind the scenes.
So what is it? It's basically about making machines think and learn. Kind of like us.
Yep, it's everywhere, from Siri to self-driving cars. But how does it actually learn?
Right, so the secret sauce here is something called machine learning.
So instead of following strict instructions, machines learn by spotting patterns in tons of data. Basically, there are three main ways: learning from examples, finding patterns on its own, or just trial and error. The process is simple but powerful. You give it data, it trains itself, and then it starts making predictions. But what's really going on inside that machine's brain? For that, we gotta look at our own. Okay, little pop quiz for you. What do you think inspired these things called neural networks?
You got it. It's the human brain. The whole design copies the network of neurons in our heads.
These layers work together, passing info along to recognize really complex stuff, like a face in a photo. But this whole thing, AI, machine learning, all of it, needs one absolutely crucial ingredient to even work. And that ingredient is data. Without it, the entire AI engine just stalls out. And it's pretty simple. The better the data you feed it, the smarter the AI gets. So with all this data-fueled power, AI is popping up in almost every industry you can think of. It's revolutionizing healthcare, making transportation safer, and yeah, curating your entertainment. But with all this incredible power comes some really big, really important ethical questions. We want AI to be fair, right? But here's the catch. It can actually learn our human biases. So where does this bias actually come from? What do you think is the main culprit here? Yep, it's the training data. If the data we give it is biased, the AI's decisions will be biased too. So we have to tackle these huge issues: biased decisions, protecting our privacy, and what this means for jobs. It really leaves us with a massive question. As we build this future, how do we make sure it's fair for everyone?